Think science is boring? Think again. From ancient bacteria that could cure diseases to quantum teleportation straight out of sci fi. These 10 mind blowing discoveries will make you question everything you thought you knew about our universe. Let's dive into the weird, the wonderful, and the world changing. The first one, immortal jellyfish. Meet Tuitoxis toni, the jellyfish that can literally reverse aging. When threatened, it reverts to its juvenile form, potentially living forever. It's nature's version of a time machine. The second one, quantum teleportation. Teleportation isn't just for sci fi anymore. Scientists have successfully teleported quantum particles across kilometers. While we are far from teleporting humans, this could revolutionize computing and communication. The third one, bacteria that eats plastic. Pollution's worst enemy, Ideonella sacchinensis. This bacteria can digest plastic waste and could be our best weapon against environmental disaster. The fourth one, brain cells grown in lab. Scientists have grown mini human brains or organoids in labs. These tiny brains are used to study diseases like Alzheimer's and even simulate basic brain activity. The fifth one, DNA revival of extinct species. Think Jurassic Park is fiction? Scientists are on the verge of reviving extinct species like the woolly mammoth using DNA technology. De extinction is real and it's happening now. The sixth one, alien molecules found in space. Molecules essential for life like amino acids have been found on meteorites and in space dust. Are we really alone? Or are these are the breadcrumbs of life beyond Earth? The seventh one, light that stops. Light travels at 3 lakh kilometers a second, right? Not always. Scientists have managed to slow and even stop light using ultra cold atoms. This could change how we store information in the future. The eighth one, octopus DNA mystery. Octopuses can edit their own RNA to adapt instantly to their environment. Some scientists even call them aliens of the deep for their bizarre intelligence and biology. The ninth one, Earth has a hidden ocean. Deep below the surface, scientists discovered a vast reservoir of water trapped in Earth's mantle, 3 times the volume of all our oceans combined. The tenth one, energy from air. Researchers have developed technology to pull electricity from humid air using protein nanowires, clean energy from thin air. The future is closer than we think. Which fact blew your mind the most? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Glenny Bits for more incredible insights.